right, if you like what you see and you enjoy watching these videos, I'd appreciate it if you would join the channel. Thank you so much. All right, I'm gonna turn it a little bit slow with a chisel that's gonna need sharpening in a minute, but I wanted to get it a little bit more balanced. Still getting it in round. It's about 800 now. All right, I'm up to 1,000. I'm going to put all this stuff here in a bag. It's all moist. And some of that over there. And I'm going to let it dry for a little bit. And then I'll turn it for its final bowl. All right, it's in my Bowl Saver 2000. And all you do is you just sprinkle some shavings on top of it. Then I'll come back and move it around a bit. That's it.